Hi there, I'm just going to make a wee video about the alphabet and how we say the sounds. Right, A, apple, apple. B, ball, b, ball. C, carrot, carrot. D, duck, d, duck. E, egg, egg. F, feather, feather. G, gorilla, gorilla. H, horse, horse. I, insect, insect. J, jellyfish, jellyfish. K, koala, koala. L, lion, lion. M, monkey, monkey. N, nurse, nurse. O, octopus, octopus. P, popcorn, popcorn. Q, queen, queen. R, rocket, rocket. S, star, star. T, turtle, turtle. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, vulture, vulture. W, window, window. X as in exercise, and it actually has a sound more like X. Y, yogurt, yogurt. Z, zebra, z, zebra. Chair, shirt. Thumb. I'll just turn this round a little bit. Now the thing to remember when doing the alphabet is you don't add another sound to the end like M. It's M, not M. And what's another one? N, not N. So you're adding that sound on the end. So try and get that pure sound if you can. And the other one is F, not F. Okay, thanks again. Bye.